Image formation by lenses. Today we are performing the activity for different type of images formed when the object is placed at different position. In this I have taken this convex lens whose focal length is 20 centimeter, and I have marked the position. This is f1 to f1, that is the object candle I have taken, and this is the screen. Now first case is when the object is at infinity. Infinity means that is very far from 2f1. This is the lens. This is very far from 2f1. This is our object. And where the image is formed. See, the image is formed, clearly it is visible. The image is formed at f2. Real and inverted image is formed. See, the image is formed, real and inverted image is formed. Now the second case, when the object is beyond 2f1. Now I placed it, see, I have placed beyond 2f1. This is 2f1. I placed it beyond 2f1. Now where the image is formed? Image is formed between f2 and 2f2. See the image. See. Clear images formed on the screen, diminished, real and inverted images formed. See, real and inverted but diminished images formed on the screen. Third case, when the object is at 2f1. The object is at 2f1, and where the image is formed? Image is formed at 2f2. Same size of image is formed, inverted image is formed on the screen. Same size, real and inverted image is formed at 2f2. If I place the screen at 2f2 exactly, you are able to see the image at 2f2, same size, inverted and real image is formed. This is a case third, when the object is at 2f1. Object is between f1 and 2f1. This is f1, this is 2f1. Now the candle is placed, or object is placed between f1 and 2f1. Very enlarged image is formed. See, the image is formed very enlarged. Now see here. This is visible. Image is formed very enlarged, real and inverted on the screen. Now the next case, when the object is at focus. Now we place the object as focus. At focus f1. Now where the image is formed. Infinitely large and highly enlarged image is formed. See where the image is formed. Very see the image is formed at infinitely large and highly enlarged, real and inverted images formed on the screen when the object is at f1. Now the case is when the object is at optical center. Now we have to place this candle between the focus and this is focus and this is the optical center in between. Now where the image is formed? Image on the same side of the lens as the object. Where the image is formed? No image is formed, because when the object is between focus f1 and the optical center, virtual and erect image is formed, and image you can see inside the lens. See, the same size of image is formed inside the lens. So it means on the same side of the lens as that of the object. See, same size, same side I am placing the camera where the object is placed, and you are able to see the image inside the lens. But virtual and erect image is formed on the screen. So these are the 6 cases related to convex lens.